Hi all. The analytical community is in touch with you Guru.Markets. Thank you very much for watching our review. Now let's compare the main indicators of the company Astec Industries Inc. ASTE, ticker ASTE. This review was made using current data as of June 6, 2024. According to classification Guru.Markets, company Astec Industries Inc. belongs to the subcategory Infrastructure. 42 organizations take part in the analysis. This is very representative. We start with summary information about the company. A little further we will consider each indicator in more detail. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study all the parameters of the company in question more carefully. Access to the table with the classification of company tickers is absolutely free and free. I kindly ask you to give a link to this issue to your friends. Well, friends, we are starting. Market capitalization of the company Astec Industries Inc. valued at $0.71 billion. With a market capitalization of the subcategory of $179 billion. Astec Industries, Inc. ASTE, has a share of 0.399% and is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0.65 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $39 billion. Astec Industries, Inc. ASTE, accounts for a share of 1.639%. Comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Astec Industries Inc. in a subcategory in case of market value assessment is 0.399%. The balance sheet capitalization is 1.639%, which is 311% more than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The analyzed company's debts amount to $0.136 billion. Debt-to-book capitalization is 20.9% of capital. Score based on the level of the company's debt obligations. Good, 1 point. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 28.8. The subcategory average is 32.4, which is 11% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $25 million. Projected earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $40 million. This is 60.4% more than currently. An assessment of the projected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 0.6. The average in the subcategory is 1.6 and this is 63% lower than in the subcategory. Evaluation of the market value to revenue indicator in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,300 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $2,080 million. Which is 60% more than at the current moment. Estimation of expected future sales compared to subcategory performance. Good, 1 point. If you are interested in this analytics, We kindly ask you to subscribe to our analytics and click on the bell. Many thanks for your important subscription. The margin is 1.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.9%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 3%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 1.451%, which is 264% more than the share of market capitalization. And this shows the imbalance in the current market value of the company Astec Industries Inc., most likely towards underestimation. The amount of capital per company employee is $165,000. And in the subcategory $601,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 72.5%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $5,700. Average for the subcategory, $18,600. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 69%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The share of revenue for each employee of the organization is $301,000. By subcategory $380,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 26%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 1.8%, with an average for the subcategory of 5.2%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 30% for the company Astec Industries, Inc. ASTE. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 49%. Potentially, the securities of the subcategory are valued higher than those of the company Astec Industries Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Astec Industries Inc. and subcategory companies. We can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Astec Industries Inc. showed a change of -22.6%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 31.6%. This does not say anything definitively, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Before showing the total score, please leave your rating Astec Industries Inc. in the comments to the video. The overall result is as follows, 6.5 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, 1.7 points. If you look very broadly, within the stock market as a whole, we see that the average score for the entire stock market in the aggregate is 0.4 points. Against a score of 6.5 points for Astec Industries, Inc. ASTE. Let's look at the table of orders, it is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all previously made decisions by the information and reference system for stock valuation GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities Astec Industries, Inc. ASTE. Information and reference system for stock valuation GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a deal due to the fact that Astec Industries, Inc. ASTE, the most undervalued company in the subcategory. It should be recalled that previously, on December 16, 2023, an order was published. Ticker REVG. Information and Reference System for Stock Valuation GURU.Markets. The following decision was made on this order. Close the deal. The final profit was 49.8%. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system GURU.Markets. You are the coolest audience.